My personal experience with EMIS-X was that it speeds the process of a consultation up immensely.
We've been very good at being quite flexible and adapting to new changes, so we're always keen to try new things, and EMIS-X has pretty much become an instant must-use for all of us.
Listen, we've got to be brave, and I'd like to be at the forefront of EMIS-X for sure, because it's been brilliant so far.
EMIS-X is our brilliant, new, innovative, cloud-based clinical platform. EMIS Web has been my friend for over 10 years as a GP because it's user-friendly and I have all that information at my fingertips. I know it will prompt me when I need to make decisions, and it will also stop me from making really poor decisions, like if a patient has an allergy, for instance. EMIS-X is really going to enhance all of that.
As it stands at the moment, EMIS-X is a companion. It's an augmentation of EMIS Web. EMIS Web is a superb EPR, one of the best in the world. But it needs to be modernised. It needs to be modernised in such a way that we can pull information together. You can care in any environment, not just in primary care.
We're an EMIS practice and we use both EMIS Web and EMIS-X, and it's quite convenient for staff to have both available on two different screens. So rather than going into different tabs onto EMIS Web, they can use EMIS-X while they're in a consultation with a patient.
One of the most simple things that I find really helpful on EMIS-X is looking at documents, which can sometimes be an 11-page discharge summary from hospital, and just scroll down through it and just find the information that you need to do, which we can't do on the document management software that we have.
I'm really looking forward to the browser version of EMIS-X. I work in a nursing home once a week, and being able to have a lightweight version of EMIS with me would be great.
As a locum, I need to make sure that I can get work. So the fact that it's going to be browser-based means that I can work for another practice away from my hometown, which means I can have work.
There are situations where our data connection here in the practice is going to go down, and having it on a browser is going to make running the practice a lot safer, because we'll still be able to have read-write access on the browser version. With our total triage system, the patients themselves inform us what the conditions are. The GP will have to look at both the appointment book, which they use EMIS Web, and then they use EMIS-X, where they can quickly search previous consultations or in the problem history, then make a determination of whether that patient needs an urgent appointment or a routine appointment or something in between.
The aim is to try and allocate everything. With time, this will help patients feel like they don't have that 8 o'clock rush. They don't feel like they're held out from the surgery. They've got that access to it.
Because of the way that it's been rolled out, it's not like we've had to switch something off to be able to start doing this. It's been an opportunity for us to explore how EMIS-X works.
I use it throughout the consultations. I call the patient in, takes them 10 to 20 seconds. EMIS-X open on one screen, EMIS normal on the other screen. I can see their medication, look on the LTC box. Is there a long-term condition that I need to worry about? Any recent letters from specialists? Anything relevant to me? Have I seen the patient? Is it a follow-up? Back into consultation, patient arrives within 20 seconds. I have a full picture of even the most complex patient. Less clicks, more speed.
It's got GPs, clinicians, admin staff, and everyone who works in primary care at the heart of what we do. And that means that they're going to be delivering a really high quality service.
When staff have time to provide quality interactions with our patients, that makes you feel better, it makes the patients happy, and it improves healthcare generally.
We want to evolve and improve our clinical platform all the time. Updates and enhancements can be delivered to you quicker so that you can have the latest technology at your fingertips.